You know what it is. The Falling on a Budget production.
It's more than just a living, y'all. Hell, it's our way of life. We're the last of the cowboys, the giddy up gone boys. 18 wheels on the concrete, it's a slow and dying breed. Rolling like Jesse James, modern day outlaw game. If you're out here riding with me, come on back and make some noise. We're the last of the cowboys. It's a family tradition, diesel's running through our veins. Our daddy showed us the ropes, we were born in the fast lane. Branded by our heroes, taught to saddle up and move. We keep this country rolling, we're damn proud of what we do. We're the last of the cowboys, the giddy up gone boys. 18 wheels on.
Alright guys, what's up? Here we are again with another video. Hot as shit. Get underneath this trailer right quick so you can see me. Yeah. Today what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna put in a window in the back of my sleeper. But yeah, I got up early this morning, going to Home Depot, Lowe's, and all that, trying to get the stuff I needed. Well, at least what I think I needed, because like I said, I haven't done this before, so I'm just kind of winging it, see how it comes out. And yeah, right now I kind of taped it up and I kind of measured, see, you know, roughly how I'm gonna do it. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you what I've done so far. All right, there's the there's the window. I actually got it offline. I believe it was like 45 bucks, 50 bucks for the window. It actually wasn't bad. It's used. You can see a little dent here, but that's on the inside, which is fine. But yeah, that's how I have it taped up so far. You can't see the, I don't think, I gotta get up close. You can see where I marked them, where I've been marking it. So yeah, so now I'm throw the window up, trace it where I have them marked already, get the outline of it, and cut it and hope for the best, because once I cut, I can't cut back. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I do something else besides this. So yeah, all right, got the outline of it, so go ahead and cut it out and hope for the best. So yeah, so next time you see this, there's gonna be a big ass hole there, so hope I don't regret this. Let's get to it. Alright guys, I already cut the hole out. I just have to cut the rest of it from the inside where those brackets are at, right here on both sides. There's little brackets that are left. Just go ahead and cut through them real quick, and the whole piece should come out. So yeah. Bam. Cool. Whew. Alright guys, hot as hell. Alright, I think I left off when I cut the little hole out. I test fitted the window. The hole was a little bit too small, which was perfect. That's what I was trying to do. I'd rather have the hole a little too small than too big. So I went trimming it as I went. Unfortunately, I didn't record because, yeah, since I would like trim and then I would get the window and test fit it, and I kept going back and forth. I didn't want to keep going back and forth the phone also. So yeah, but either way, the window, I just got it to go in right now. And yeah, so I just kind of have it there for now, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish actually installing it completely. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you. All right, guys, there it is, the window. It's just sitting there in place. Still gotta actually mount it to the sleeper. But what I liked is that it's actually a really tight fit. That's what I was trying to do. And I mean, it's not so tight where so much pressure on the window, but it just, you know, it's a snug fit, which is what I wanted. So yeah, so I know it fits really good. So yeah, go ahead and show you guys when I'm actually completely finished. But yeah, just wanted to show you real quick. Cool. All right, let me see where did I leave off. Yeah, I got the window sitting in place now, so now I gotta go on the inside and cut the interior out for the window, and I can seal it from the inside, and yeah, that should be good. So let's go on inside. All right, let's get up on in here, and we gotta cut it out because we got the window in place here. So yeah. All right, guys, quick little update. Look who's here, by the way. Look who showed up. Cut my interior. Looks like shit right now, so I actually got to finish cutting it out. And then yeah, so yeah, I know it looks like shit right now, guys, but it'll get better. So yeah, little update. I've been cutting everything, so yeah, but either way, that's what I've gotten so far. Now I gotta put this the ring on. Once I put the ring on, I screw it on. It should cover all that ugliness up. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna still tuck this in. It has the one that has the lip all the way around. I'm actually gonna tuck it in, that way you don't see it. And I'll put the ring on, and this also has a lip, so it's gonna cover it also, so make it look prettier than just a cutout. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys what it looked like, I guess. So yeah, pretty cool. All right, guys, I have all this taken apart. I got it trimmed out, tucked in the sides, a little bit that I could tuck in, but obviously it looks like shit there. But once this, let me see, hold on. Once this, hold it. Once this goes there, I don't know how it looks from there, but
it's pretty good.
Yeah, see? So, yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and knock that out real quick. Just wanted to show you guys. Done. All right, guys, I finished screwing it down, and there it is. No more ugly outline. Nice. One thing I don't like is all the screws, so I think I'm gonna paint the screws black. That way you don't see it. That, and I'm also thinking about painting the ring purple. Add some color back here. But as of right now, that's it, guys. I finished up. I went ahead and I sealed in the inside with the water sealant, and I yeah, I'll go ahead and show you from the outside. This is what it looks like from the outside. Bam, done. It's kind of more pain in the ass than I thought. Just time consuming, really. And trimming the interior took me a while. It's thicker than I thought. I'll go ahead and jump up real quick. Alright guys, I mean, don't mind it's dirty, but yeah, that's the window. I ripped off my paint, my shitty ass paint. It's all good, gonna paint it eventually. And the window's dirty, guys. I gotta clean it. Had my dirty ass hands all over it, and yeah, it looks ugly because I have all kinds of stuff on my bed and my sheets everywhere. But don't look at that, just look at the window. Savage. Bam, like you're inside. Cool. Hey. Alright guys, just finished sealing the outside. This is that marine grade, supposedly, I don't know, super strong, so we'll see. Either way, I used bonding tape inside, so when I mounted it to the outside, I put it inside of here, so this is actually stuck to this. And then from the inside, I used like liquid nails, or yeah, liquid nail or something. It's like some heavy duty shit, supposedly, I don't know. And it's made to build like bridges, supposedly. Anyways, this ain't a bridge, so should hold it. And yeah, that's it. And then I used the ring inside, screwed it together so it sandwiched it, and sealed the outside just in case. And yeah, you know, that's pretty much it. And when I cut the window out, I made it a real tight fit. That way I had to squeeze the window in. I think I already said that, I can't remember, but just in case I didn't say it, I'm saying it now. So yeah, so that thing ain't going nowhere, and if it does, fuck me, I'm gonna be pissed. So yeah, then go ahead and clean the window, and then I'll show you guys the final product, I guess. Alright guys, I cleaned the window half-ass, so, but it's clean. Really happy with it. So yeah, what up we go. You can see a little better there, but yeah, cool, very happy. Savage. Alright guys, finally, after being here all day, sweating my ass off and fighting with this thing, I finally got it. Finished product. Go ahead and flip the camera around for you guys. There it is. I mean, you guys already seen it, but I'm showing you again. Finished. Bam. I'll go ahead and show you the inside. And that's the inside. Cool. Nice and clean now. Really happy with the results. Love the way it came out. Nice. A little shot from far away. You can see it from distance. Get the sun out of here. I don't know if you can see it. I can't really tell on camera. Quick view from back here. Alright guys, here's a quick clip of what it looks like at night. Here's from the outside. Let's see if you can see inside. I'll couple my lights on. Let's go check from the inside. And this is the inside. Need some lights back here now because it's kind of dark now. So I'm gonna be adding purple light inside the sleeper. That way it's not so dark back here. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Pretty cool. Really happy with it. Like the way it turned out. But yeah. Alright guys. What I do from here so you guys can see the window. Sun to my face a little bit. Nope, that's worse. Either way. Alright guys. I'm done sweating for the day. Tired. Gonna go home and shower. But yeah. There's the finished product, final product, whatever you want to say. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think about the window in the comments down below. And yeah, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.